Hello everyone, welcome back to Tabassum English Hub. This is day 8, part 1 of our spoken English course level 1. Today's topic is very interesting because we are going to learn how to describe people in English. Sometimes people ask, what does your friend look like? How is your teacher? Describe your brother. And today you will learn how to answer these questions confidently in simple English. Let's begin. First, answer these questions. Who is your best friend? Is your friend tall or short? Is your teacher strict or friendly? Come on, try to speak, share, and enjoy. Very good. Now let's learn some basic describing words. Appearance: tall, short, thin, fat, beautiful, handsome. Now some vocabulary for describing personality: friendly, kind, funny, honest, helpful, smart. Repeat again. Vocabulary for describing appearance: tall, short, thin, fat, beautiful. Now vocabularies for describing personality: friendly, kind, funny, honest, helpful, smart. Now let's learn some simple describing sentences. Speak with me. My brother is tall. My friend is very funny. My teacher is kind. She is beautiful. He is smart and honest. Very good. Keep practicing like this. Now let's speak longer sentences. Don't stop at one line. Try to add more information. Don't say, my friend is funny. Say this instead. My friend is funny and very friendly. Avoid saying, my teacher is kind. Better say this, my teacher is kind and helps all students. Longer sentences sound more natural and confident. Now repeat after me, say with me and say louder. He is tall and smart. She is kind and helpful. My friend is funny and honest. My teacher is strict but friendly. Excellent. Now let's learn some real conversation practice. Conversation 1. Tell me about your best friend. Response: my best friend is Rahul. How is he? He is funny, honest, and helpful. Conversation 2. What does your teacher look like? She is tall and beautiful. Is she friendly? Yes, she is very friendly and kind. Speak confidently, okay? Now let's see describing family members. Let's describe family members. My father is hardworking. My mother is caring and kind. My sister is smart and friendly. My brother is funny and active. Use simple words first. Now try to answer these questions in full sentences. Describe your best friend, then describe your teacher, and also try to describe your brother or sister. Speak slowly and clearly. I will describe someone, you guess the person. Okay, it's a fun activity for you. He is funny and helpful. He plays cricket with me. Who is he? Okay. Now here are some common mistakes which need to be fixed. Don't say he have black hair. Say this. He has black hair. Use has with the subject he and she. Don't say she is very beautifully. Say this. She is very beautiful. Use adjectives after is. Don't say he is talling. Say this. He is tall. Don't add ing. Okay? Always remember, simple English is enough. Use easy words confidently. Practice speaking every day. Confidence grows with practice. Now is your homework. Describe your best friend, your teacher, one family member, and you have to speak 5 sentences in English like my friend is funny, he is very helpful, he likes cricket. Practice in front of a mirror and see the experience. So today you learned how to describe people, talk about appearance and personality, speak longer sentences confidently. Tomorrow we will learn more about describing people. Okay? Keep practicing and keep speaking. See you in the next class.